Going on, everybody? We're out here in beautiful Mission Viejo. We did this new driveway. Our client originally had cracks, had some problems over here in the driveway and his garage area. So what we did, we cut off 1 foot into his existing concrete inside, put new rebar underneath, compacted it, leveled it, and then came out and poured of the following few days. And we did a beautiful herringbone brick right here. Looks amazing. And we also extended his driveway, matching the brick we did over here. Beautiful herringbone pattern as well. Beautiful ribbon on the perimeter. Beautiful new lawn. And then over here, I think this was my favorite part of the project, honestly. These steps, they just look phenomenal. Beautiful, beautiful detailed work. Just matches everything, blends in, super detailed. That's what it's about, guys.